Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Talking about the Ninja Suite. I came home and turned the bot on and thought, wait, we'll just try to make a little more money. So let's take a look and see what we did here. 35.31.04. I did that on 4 contracts, and usually around 350, 351, you will get a burst of volume. It's every day, Monday through Friday, you'll get that. So I thought, well, I got home maybe 15 minutes till 4, and I thought, well, I'm gonna hurry up and turn this on and see what happens. So I turned it on, run on through here, and which this would have been a good trade. This would have been a good trade. I'm not hiding anything here. These are all good trades here. So I missed several. This has been a good trade. So I went ahead and turned it on, and the bot entered the trade here. Picked up it's $300 a contract, so it's $1,200, $1,200, and $1,200. So 3 good trades, and at this time it is about 2-3 minutes before closing time. So I don't trade after 4. I just wait. Turns out this one would have been another good trade. I would have made money there too, but I don't trade after 4. So these 3 trades, we had the volume come in, shot back down, back up. Pretty typical. About every day we'll do this, and it's a good time to run a bot. So add another 35.31.04. It is paused. We are done, and it's the weekend, so we're ready. So how do you get the Ninja Suite? If you go to my website, spymoneyllc.com, and you can click right here. If you click there, or go right up here to the Ninja Suite, and you click on that, and it'll open up to the Ninja Suite page. And this is a nice little video you can watch. It tells a lot about it. And what you get with it is all the indicators on the website, plus some exclusive indicators that are only available to the Ninja Suite membership, the lease. So there's a lot of indicators that we only offer on here, and honestly, we use the indicators here and not really the ones on the website. We also have 3 bots: the Beast, the Renko, and the Sweet Scalper. And I run all 3 of these. Today I run all 3 and made money on all 3. We also have live trading, live training, Discord room where I post charts, news, callouts, training, the trades that's going on. We talk about a lot of things in there. Some days it's quiet, some days there's a lot going on, but it is a good outlet to have immediate access to what's going on. I'm always usually available in there if you have questions or so. I can do that as well. Here's just some brief information that you can look over. Again, you can click here to lease the Ninja Suite. And then if you have questions, go up here to contact us. When you click on that, you can fill this out. It comes directly to me. I'll be the one to answer them. And if you need to talk to me, then just put your phone number in there and we can take care of it. Funded account. Yes, they do work on funded accounts. And one thing about that's really good, I know Apex is really, they really promote having multiple accounts. Well, we're building the bots right now to where they will trade multiple accounts. Those will be out next week. And so all 3 bots will have the multiple account where you can trade on one, move your stops and everything, and it'll move across all your accounts. We're going to make it to where it'll probably do about, we'll probably do 20 because that's what Apex allows. Most people have anywhere from 1 to 5 accounts. I know there's a lot of people that have 10, 15. I don't know anybody that's got 20, but we're going to make it to where you can put as many accounts as you want, up to 20 that is. And for the most part, most people do 5 or less. And it'll work real good for it. Here's a brief comparison between the 3. If you're looking for something that's got quick money, UProfit is the one. If you want something to use long term and you're going to stick with it and just use it all the time, Apex is the way, but it's going to take longer to get paid. Down here, some coupons you can use. Make sure that you click these logos up here in order to go to it, and then put your coupon in, and you will get a discount. That's how we do it. If you have any questions or anything, let me know. I'd be more than happy to help you, and I hope that everybody has a great weekend, and I'll be available if you need to talk. Let's get you started this weekend. Most people are trading on their live account within 2 to 4 days. Somewhere on through there, the majority of the people. Some people take a little longer, depends on the person. You can trade this live, sim, or on your funded account. We recommend sim the first couple of days to get used to it and know how to do it, and then after that, go to your live account or your funded account. You guys have a great weekend. Appreciate all of you.